Welcome everyone, my name is Korida Malenur Alifa. So here we're going to analyze the data using the Tableau software. Here I have the data from the institution's advanced gift, which there are two sets. First is gift records and the second is graduation year. In the gift records we consider as the allocation subcategory, the city of the alumni who made the donation, the college, gift allocation, gift amount, gift date, major of the alumni, prospect ID, and the state of alumni. In the second set, we can see the prospect ID and year of graduation. So here we're going to answer some questions by analyzing the data. The first question is, what is the highest amount of gift allocation? From the analysis, we can see the scholarship has the highest amount of gift allocation. So for the next question is, what is the trend of gift allocation amount over 6 years? Here we can see an ascending trend line in each category, which means that gift allocation trend is good and rising. And next, what is the gift allocation that has the best trend? The answer is endowment. We can see that the trend line of endowment has the greater slope than other. And endowment has the greater S-square than others category. So, is there a pattern come up in each year? The answer is yes. You can see the amount of gift allocation was up and down every year. Next is, what state makes the most donation based on each gift allocation? The answer is Colorado. In the scholarship is Colorado, endowment is Colorado, and the campus resource is Colorado. The next is, what state that made the most donation in 2015? The answer is Canada. So what's that made the most donation in 2014? The answer is Illinois. As we can see, Canada, Colorado, and Texas has dominated the number of donations, but in 2014, Illinois came up with the highest donation. How come is it? Okay, I will explain in the last of presentation because this is related to the other analysis. Next, what is the highest amount of gift allocation by subcategory? The answer is diversity fund, has the largest area and the darkest color. And which college received the most donation? The answer is College of Natural Science. As you can see, why is this scholarship received by each college is different? Because the donation allocated to the scholarship of each college depend on the donation made by the alumni of the college itself. As we can see, the alumni of College of Natural Science contribute the most donation. Therefore, scholarship that received by College of Natural Science is higher than the others. As you can see here, there is not a dark color in campus research. Why can't you see the significant number of campus research? Here I analyze the percentage of gift allocation. We can see 42% is allocated to the scholarship, 37% is allocated to the endowment, and 19% is allocated to the campus research. And campus research has the smallest percentage. Therefore, there is not a significant number of donation on campus research. My suggestion is the institution can reduce the funds of endowment or the percentage of endowment so that the scholarship and campus research can receive more funds. Next is, what is college donated the most? So the answer is natural science. So what college contribute the least? The answer is veterinary college. So what are the top 5 and bottom 5 major by amount of donation? The top 5 majors are engineering, computation, mathematics, Arabic, and kinesiology. And the bottom 5 majors are Russian literatures, chemistry, computational mathematics, environmental biology, and genomic and molecular genetics. We know the college that donate the most is the natural science, but why the engineering major that don't come from the natural science have the higher amount of donation compared by any major? Because the College of Natural Science have the more major than engineering college. I do appreciate the major of engineering would donate more than any other major college. Next is, what is the trend of donation given by each college per year? As we can see, the trend is almost all good and increasing. And what college has the best trend? The answer is College of Art because it has a greater slope and greater R square than others. So is there any college that has downward trends? The answer is yes, which is the College of Education. Why? Because every year the number of alumni from the College of Education who donate is decreasing. As we can see, in 2014 there is a significant increase in donation from the College of Engineering. Why is it happen? Here I analyze there is the significant increase from the generation 89 of Engineering College. If we calculate in 2014 is the exact 25 year of being alumni of this institution. There is the possibility that they celebrate their 25th anniversary by donating to these institutions. Next is what are the top 7 alumni by the amount of donation they give. First is 89, 91, 87, 92, 90, 85, and 96. So what are the bottom 7 of alumni by the donation they give? The bottom 7 are 2006, 65, 68, 69, 60, 2009, and 2005. What can be concluded from this data? So the richest alumni is from 80 and 90 generation because they are in the high level of their career and in the golden age. Therefore, they give a lot of donation to this institution. So for the poorest generation is generation 60 and 2000. The generation 60 in the decline and the retirement path, therefore they donate minimum for this institution. And generation 2000 is new graduate who still starting the careers, therefore they also donate minimum to this institution. What is the trend number of donation by top year's graduation? The trend is good and increase because there is an ascending trend line. Is there a significant increase in the number of donation? The answer is yes, because there is a significant increase from the generation 89 and 87 in 2014. So why did it happen? You can see in the 1st of April in 2014, there is significant increase from the major mathematics of generation 87. There is a possibility the generation 87 from major mathematics held an event by raising the donation for this institution. In 11 December 2014, there is a significant increase from generation 89 from major engineering. There is the possibility also the generation of 89 of major engineering held an event by raising the donation to this institution as the 25th anniversary. If you remember, I haven't answered one question in the beginning. The question is, why the state of Alliance can beat Colorado, Canada, and Texas in the 2014? So the answer is the generation of 89 from major engineering contribute large donation from the state alliance. So therefore, the state alliance can be state that contribute the most donation in 2014. And finally, we are in the last of session. I would like to say thank you and bye bye.